Resistance band assisted pull-ups are a great progression exercise to the full body weight pull-up. The resistance band helps reduce the amount of weight, thus making the pull-up easier. To get started, place the resistance band around the middle of a secure pull-up bar, then loop one end through the other and pull to create a secure fit. While standing below the pull-up bar, pull down on the resistance bands with both hands, then stick one foot through the loop with the other leg extending straight down towards the ground. You can also loop the resistance band around your knee if the bar is not high enough to hang with straight legs. Initiate the movement by contracting your back muscles, core, and glutes, then pull your chest up to the bar. Under control, slowly lower your body back to the starting position with your arms fully extended. Repeat for reps. You can also alternate which knee or leg goes through the band on each set. If you find that one resistance band doesn't provide enough resistance, you can double up and use two bands on the same knee or foot. Subscribe for more Live Lean TV daily exercises.